All right, welcome back, everyone. We're at Punch Bowl Social again, here with Bryan, the general manager. Bryan, thank you for hanging out with us
today.
today.
You're very, very welcome. It's actually our pleasure.
Yes, thank you. So as soon as I walked in, I noticed that there's so many things to do here. You have to explain what's there to offer. What can I do here for fun?
We have a million things to do here. That's the beauty of a Punch Bowl Social. There's just so much to do. We have things that little kids can do, and we have things that grown people can do as well. We have everything from bowling to bocce ball to cornhole, ping pong, 3 state-of-the-art karaoke rooms in this particular location, yes. So tons to do. If you want to get a little loose, we have an amazing selection of craft cocktails. Yeah. Everything is just built with love and fresh ingredients. Our food is all made from from scratch kitchen. Everything is prepared in-house. And you can just tell from the food here that it's made very, very much so with love and intended to speak to our guests in a way that most food in other places can't really speak to you. So
yeah,
it's amazing.
So like this Punch Bowl right here, obviously it's in the name, Punch Bowl Social. Absolutely. We get a little punch drink, and then this, what is this? So this looks amazing.
Yeah, these are our cauliflower nachos. There's real cauliflower in there, so it's actually a pretty good, healthier option compared to your beef and your chicken. If you want to get that, you're more than welcome to. We have Fresnos in there to give a little kick. We have our cilantro crema there that just makes it over the top with some freshness.
Yeah.
Then we have our chicken and waffles here, which is an absolute showstopper. When that comes walking out, you just can't beat it. And then to our feature punch here, which every Punch Bowl has, and this is our Hayride Hooch with some whiskey in there, some bourbon rye.
Yeah, nice.
Cheers to you on that.
So let's cheers to that.
Awesome.
Bryan, thank you so much for joining us today.
You're very welcome.
It's been amazing. I'm gonna go do some karaoke. And again, of course, you can watch us on Life Untapped. This was Life Untapped here at Punch Bowl Social. We'll catch you next time.